Hey guys, welcome back. Let's make a DIY gel nail polish. So first, apply the hydrator to remove oil nails. Dapat is na-prep nyo na yung nail nyo, na-buff nyo na siya at hindi siya makinis. After, apply primer para mas makapit ang kanyang mga gel polish, hindi siya agad-agad matatangkal. And then apply base coat. Make sure na hindi siya lalagpas sa inyong mga nails at hindi rin siya aabot dun sa pinakadulo. Mag-leave kayo ng space para hindi siya mahirap, para mas maganda siya tingnan. And then cure for 120 seconds, then apply gel polish. I'm using milky white shade, and then cure it for 30 seconds again, and then reapply. And then after that, use a small tip brush to line. And cure it for 30 seconds again, and then reapply. After curing for 30 seconds, apply the top coat. And cure it for 120 seconds, and file the excess polish para hindi siya makapal at hindi tumatama sa gilid yung mga sobra-sobra. And then ayan na, don't forget to apply nail oils. Perfect for everyday and simple look. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.